welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing well. I'm here with another video, and well, those who are new here, my name is Rebecca Jamir and I make food videos. So well guys, today I'm here with another simple recipe. Today I'm going to make chicken, potato and brinjal curry. So guys, let's see how I'm going to cook it. Come on, let's get started. One cup. I'm going to make this gravy, so I'm going to use lot of water. Yeah, 3 cups. First of all, I'm adding salt. This is lemongrass. This is ginger paste, chili and tomatoes. I've taken 2 small size of tomatoes. And chilies, like it's up to you how much you want to add chili. We'll first bring it to a boil. Cover it so it will boil quickly. I'm sorry, I forgot this aloo. You have to add this also. Potato in whatever size and shape you want to cut, you cut it, but it will be good if you cut it in a very thin slice because it will cook easily as I'm going to mash it, so that will be much better. Okay, let's see. It's boiling properly, and oh, that lemongrass is giving a good aroma. Yeah. So add this bamboo shoot. After adding the bamboo shoot, don't stir it, just let it boil by itself. For a minute we will boil, and then after that we will add this chicken. Well guys, for a minute I have boiled the bamboo shoot. Let's check the ingredients also. Now let's add the chicken. Oh. We'll let it boil until the potatoes are cooked properly. So cover it and अच्छे से boil करो. Okay guys, all the potatoes are cooked properly. I'm going to take out all the potatoes. I hope I've taken out everything. I mean all the potatoes. Yeah. So I've taken out all the potatoes. Now I'll be adding this Kashmiri mirch just to make the curry red and beautiful. This is not hot. It's just for color. Oh, one more potato is there. Okay, we will mash the potatoes. If you feel like it's too dry, then add some gravy here. I'm not going to add it now. After mashing the potato, keep it aside, and we are going to add this brinjal. It's a small size brinjal. Just cut it in 4 pieces. Don't cut the brinjal and keep it aside. Otherwise, all this brinjal will turn in black, kala ho jao. So it's better cut it and directly you put it in the vessel. You cover it and let it boil like 5 minutes. It's been like 5 minutes. Yeah. Take a little bit time for the brinjal to cook. Now we will add this mashed potato here. Why I have not added mashed potato earlier, because like after adding the mashed potato you have to be very careful, because like the curry will burn very easily. Just be careful, because if you do it very roughly, all the brinjals will break. Brinjal kan bhangi jao. Just for 2 minutes we'll cook. By the way, you should not overcook the brinjal. It seems like it's not cooked properly, but when you turn off the flame and you keep aside for the curry to cool down, the steam itself, the brinjal will cook. So just keep it like that. And the last ingredient for today, garlic. Garlic dal diya. Cover it and off the flame. I'm boiling this palak also. Okay, my cooking is done. Now I'm going to have it. ये rice है. I wish it's local rice. Yeah. क्या करें? It's like a dream now to have local rice. अभी चिकन के बारे में. Wow, leg piece. Where is it? This is my favorite. Liver also. See the brinjal? See, I told you, it's not raw. It's properly cooked. And this is palak boil. I've added just water, salt, and palak. That's all. I'll eat the leaves, and after that I'll drink the water. So now guys, it's time to eat. Mangso brother brinjal man tasty है. Today I'm going to eat this alone. I'm not going to share with anyone. Kuma do saliva ulena saya ada. When the curry is hot. Actually, I didn't make any chutney today. When the curry is hot, chutney is hot, this boil will give you the balance. क्या बात है. It's so nice, it's so tasty. By the way, if you have that garlic leaves, I mean not garlic leaves, ginger leaves, you can add the ginger leaves also. Local murki ke saath, oh, it's so tasty. Oh, pasina ulai jaro. If I'm not chewing any bones, like I don't feel like I've eaten any meat. It's my favorite hadi. This also. Oh my god, I'm enjoying. Well guys, let me finish it properly. I'm enjoying it. I hope you have enjoyed this video. So guys, if you like this video and if you like watching this video, please don't forget to give thumbs up, share भी करो, subscribe भी करो, and also notification bell में click करो, ठीक है? So thank you so much guys for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.